Hi guys, it's Ian here, and today I'm going to be showing you some infield footage of me cold approaching a girl right from the street and then arranging a date with her. Now guys, if you'd love to be able to do this yourself, then do check out our dating services at Kamalifestyles.com. But anyway, let's watch the video, so stay tuned. Excuse me. Hi, sorry, I think you look really nice, by the way.
Sorry, thank you very much.
Yeah, this sounds like really random.
Kind of
really
is, yeah.
Unexpected. Are you Irish?
Yeah, I'm Irish.
All right. Are you like Republic of Ireland?
Yeah, Republic of Ireland.
Cool. Yeah.
I live here though.
You live in London. But no, I was.
Walk this way.
You're in a rush because I was kind of just doing some shopping.
Okay.
Like before meeting my friends.
Okay.
Later tonight, yeah, and I saw you and I thought I'd say hello.
Oh, thank you.
Like take a big risk.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's very random.
I know, it's so weird. Like normally I need like more alcohol and like more drugs.
I'm the same, so I'm probably going red. Like I've no way.
Going red.
Going red.
Nah, you look alright. But are you?
If you're drinking me, I talk to all night. Like. Oh.
Are you like a lawyer?
No.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Okay. What like?
Roxy O'Connor's?
Oh, I've always like hear about it, but I've never been there.
I'm a manager there. I'm kind of in a rush. I'm meant to be going out. Like.
Are you?
I'm meant to be with friends at 8 o'clock.
You're on a date?
No, just my friends from work.
Oh right, yeah. Okay.
So
I'm Ian, by the way.
I got lost. I walked this way.
Okay, lovely to meet you.
I walked that way. And
Oh Jesus, yeah. What was your dream like when you were younger? Like, have you always?
Oh no, open my own place. This is why I'm here at the minute.
Yeah.
Travel around.
Really?
What's happening.
So you're from Dublin?
No.
Oh,
Midlands,
okay.
you don't know where that is.
No idea.
No one knows where it is.
Is that near like Cork? Alright, is that
near Galway?
Galway?
Near Ridge. It's like an hour away.
God, all Irish people are like really bubbly. I've never met an Irish person with like low energy.
What, me?
Huh? No, as in I've never. Yeah, you're very like energetic. So yeah, but now. Are you okay? Yeah. But I'm like going out later tonight.
Okay.
So I might go to Mahiki in Kensington.
I don't know where.
You don't know anywhere else? You just know Waxy's.
Yeah,
Waxy's addict. Do you not go out anywhere else?
Not really. Tonight's my first night going out. It's my first
really?
night
Ever?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So you're fresh off the boat.
So I have no idea where I'm gonna go.
Oh, okay. Because the West End's like quite good, but it's quite pretentious.
Yeah. I don't really know. I don't know where we're gonna go now, to be honest.
Yeah, or like Clapham.
You don't do this, no. I'm not like the fifth girl you've stopped on the way up the road, no.
You're the millionth. Nah, I wish I had this as a career.
Doing this all day.
Yeah, that would be amazing. Imagine that. That would be like, that would be fun. That would be hilarious.
Yeah, I think it'll be alright.
I'll be like a homeless person, you know. Just,
Are you?
No.
See you in the corner later on.
But thank you for the compliment. But what do you like? What do you do in your spare time then? You just work?
Shop. Shop.
You're a shopaholic?
Yeah, I only get one day off a week. Like.
Really? 6 days? You work 6 days?
6 days a week.
Oh wow, so you're a workaholic.
So I get one day off, so I just shop and sleep.
You shop?
I don't know anyone, so I only know my work friends.
Oh, what a loser.
I know, my friends back home are like, Rebecca, what the fuck?
But Ireland's like really close. You can always go.
Yeah, you can go back and forth, like.
Back quite easily.
Yeah.
Yeah, but maybe like we could like go for a coffee sometime.
Yeah, that's a good point.
Like, do you because maybe like
give you a road out.
I feel like I'm gonna get run. I keep thinking I'm gonna get run over. I'm moving like to the side.
Really bad, like.
Imagine that witnessing a death. Now I better not say that. But I'm a bit nervous because the buses keep going by. Stuff, yeah.
Yeah, no, I can go for coffee.
But do you use like WhatsApp or anything like that?
I don't know my number, but I have it on me.
Oh, right.
I'm basically getting used to all the English.
So you literally just...
The English way, yeah, I'm only here 4 months.
4 months?
4 months.
Oh, that's
not even like, 3.5, nearly 4.
Yeah, but that's not like... That's not super short.
Pretty new, like when all I do is work, you know, that kind of way.
Relatively new, yeah.
It's 07.
Are you like quite young?
22.
22 is so young.
Oh,
you're a baby.
Is it?
Yeah. How old do you think I am?
I don't know, I'd say you're 28, 29.
I'm 43.
Are you 43?
No. Whoa. No, I'm not way through. No, that's a bit of a gap. You're like so young for me.
Nice.
But girls,
I might as well be 30 though, I feel 30.
you feel 30?
I feel 30 like I'm 40.
Yeah, but I suppose like girls, they say that girls get mature like sooner than guys.
Definitely.
Guys tend to be like quite immature.
Probably still are.
Probably still are. Yeah, I don't know. We should do something, definitely.
Okay.
I know. And
My role for next week, yeah. I'm off this weekend though.
are you?
That's
Okay.
really good, yeah.
What you?
I don't know when I'm left out, so I won't go for
So you're not working on Saturday, Sunday? Oh, sweet. Okay.
I got a weekend off. I have no friends. I'm not
No, I'm sure you'll make friends. London's like so international.
Yeah.
There's loads of.
It's hard to talk to people like.
Yeah, because everyone's busy.
Yeah, everyone's so busy. I know I'm really busy as well, so.
I think if you go to, I mean, I'll drop you a message.
Yeah.
But if
You're my tour guide.
sorry?
You'll be my tour guide.
Tour guide. I think if you go to like a nice bar and stuff,
Yeah.
like
That's good. We'll go to the
restaurant.
tonight.
you can meet people. Yeah, but yeah, we should like do maybe like a coffee or like a drink.
Let me know.
If you're old enough to drink, that is. Right.
Please.
So what can we learn from the footage? Well, see how right at the beginning I keep saying, excuse me. See, I keep persisting, I'm not giving up, and she clearly hasn't heard me. So the lesson here is to just never give up, as sometimes she simply might not have heard you. Now, you'll be surprised how many interactions are lost simply due to the speaking way too quietly. Also, see how she keeps laughing and how she's just really engaged. And at one point, she even said that she was going red. Also, see how when she says that she's in a rush and I'm actually completely unfazed by it, I'm cool and I just continue the conversation. Now, guys, this is key as it sets the frame right from the start and it sparks that sexual attraction. Now, also remember to tease the girl while smiling, as this sort of flirtation builds loads and loads of attraction. Now, I have guys telling me not to offend the girl, but they're not understanding the concept of teasing. Now, it's totally not offensive if you just say it in the right way when you're smiling, so make sure that you convey yourself very lightheartedly. So guys, if you want to see this type of interaction yourself, then do get in touch with me and have a look at our services at Kamalifestyles.com. Now, I'm Iain Myles, and I'll see you next time.